tech tip video, I'm going to show you turret setup and how the turret setups work in, this is a multi-turret machine, but you could do it in a regular just one turret machine as well. So first off, you do have to create the turrets. These are already created. I'm not going to go through how to create it, but the turrets are already created. The first turret here is the upper, and you can see upper turret is created, and if I turn on my display axes and component, when I click on the turret position, it shows me the turret position as well. So let me turn on that component here. And so each position, now the ones with 0 by them, they don't have any they have the tool position at the center. They didn't put them out on the edge yet. So each one of these are at the center of the turret. Turret 2 here is this turret down here, and you can see there's a little bit more tools to that. They did give a few more tools. So there's 6 positions here instead of 8, and so that each position, anything with the 0, they didn't put the turret position on the chuck, or on the chuck, yeah, on the turret. Sorry. Turret 2, again turret 1. Now, how do I populate the positions of the tools in turret? Well, the tools themselves, they do have to have a gauge point of some sort. And let me move this over. And the different tools have the gauge points on them, so that this is how they're located in the turret itself. So each tool here has a gauge point on the turret itself. So that's how they're positioned in there. Okay. If you need to move the tool in or out, you move the gauge point on the tool, and it will move it in and out of the turret. The turret setup, however, is under tooling. So once you have the turrets created, under tooling you have, under tooling here you have change by list. And if you have the turret set up, it's going to have turret set up here because it picks up the turrets on the machine itself. Each turret will be listed. If you got multiple turrets, it'll be listed in here. Here's first tool of turret 2, and there's the 12th tool of turret 1. So there's 12 tools on the first turret, and 8 tools on the second. Each tool is put in by the down arrow, so you can go through the whole tool list just by picking on. You do have to know what number the tool is in your tool library to put it in there. You can have multiple tools. So if I want tool number, in this particular case I have tool number 13, I got tool number 3, 16, and 18. If I want another 3 where 18 is, I just come down here and I can do a duplicate of number 3 here in the 18th position, or in the position where 18 was. So you can use the multiple tools. Also, you have override capabilities here. So if I have a tool number 6, I can override the tool manager ID here, and I can do the tool driven point as well. So I can change the actual tool number and the driven point right here within the override ID. So it doesn't have to be, it's tool number 18, but we're changing it to 6. So that's how the turret setup works here with this. So if you have any other questions, feel free to look at the help or call CG Tech Support at 949-753-1050. Thank you.